Hello everyone, this is Rafneet Kandok, energy healer and a life coach. So today I want to talk about children. Have you ever thought what are they going through and how are they feeling? Yes, we all know. But what are we doing with it? We are giving them more gadgets, we are giving them more equipments to keep themselves busy, which will later on add on more stress to their life. Already we have implanted in their minds that the air outside is very unsafe. Initially it was the world is unsafe, now even the air is unsafe. So whatever we implant in them right now, it will stay with them for the rest of their life. So I have come up with few easy tips for them which you can do with them and they will enjoy. So first thing which we can do with them is just keep an ice cube on their palm. Tell them to make a fist of it. Keep them in their fist for 5 seconds and just throw it in the dustbin or wherever. So just 5 seconds of this exercise will really help them to get their senses relaxed. Second is a meditation which they really enjoy. I do it in sessions with my children. So what we do is we close our eyes, inhale, smile and exhale. So close your eyes, inhale, smile and exhale. So we can do it with them as many as times they want to do. We can't force them because they are children. Till the time they're enjoying, we can do this technique with them. It is very cute. They really enjoy doing this. So it's inhale, inhale, take a smile and release. So with this, because the schools have started the virtual classes and the children are sitting right in front of the computer, their laptops, and even after that they want to see TV. The homework is done through the computer, so the screen time is so much that they need to relax a lot, because so much of computer will even affect their sitting posture, and even a back would be affected, including eyes. This can even cause attention deficiency in children later on. So much of screening. So we need to really focus on this. So now what we do after doing these techniques, third, while sleeping we ask them to close their eyes and just see the whole day, what all they have done, and they should be in gratitude that they are safe, they are sitting in their houses, they have walls to protect them, they have their grandparents around them, they have their parents and their siblings around them, and they are one family who's helping, supporting each other even at this time. So by doing these 3 exercises, we can really help children to come out from all the stress going around, because energetically we are affecting them, even if we are not talking all this in front of them, but the news is going on and our thoughts are going into them. So with this, we really need to help our children on this, because they are very sensitive. And of course, play some activities with them, run around with them, anything which you feel like your child is interested in, play any music with them. So this would really help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.